Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We are from Group 2. We will explain to you about the personal protective equipment or PPE. Let me introduce our member group. My name is Yen Miliani as moderator, and then the first speaker is Miss Martanti. The second speaker is Miss Iis, and the last speaker is Miss Nenden. Okay, that's all about our group. Okay, let's jump to the explanation. For the first speaker, Miss Martanti will explain to us about the helmet, caps, and goggles. Please welcome Miss Martanti, and time is yours.
Okay, I will explain the personal protective equipment. The first is helmet. Helmet is a type or protect headgear made from the hard material or fiberglass, designed to protect head from the injuries caused by impact falling object. And then also the function is designed to absorb impact and protect the skull and brain in case of falls, collisions, or flying object. The first tool to protect our head is caps or caps repairing. Caps repairing or motorcycle repairing caps is a type hardgear typically worn by motorcycle, machine or repair workers in a workshop. It's designed to protect the height or maintaining hygiene while working on vehicle repairs. The function is protect from dirt and grease, prevents oil, dust, and debris from settling on mechanic hair and scraps during repairing works. And then the last is the last tool for the head is goggles. Goggles are safety glasses that protect the eyes from the injury caused by flying particle, chemical splashes, or other harmful substances. And then the function is to protect our eyes from the eyes environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Martanti, as the first speaker that tell us about the helmet, the caps, and the goggles. Jump to the second speaker, Miss Iis will explain to you about the wear pack. Please welcome Miss Iis. Time is yours.
Hello everyone, I want to explain about wear pack. A wear pack, also known as personal protection equipment or PPE, is a set of protective gear worn to minimize exposure to hazard and risk in the workplace. It is designed to protective wear from physical, chemical, and biological hazard to prevent injuries or illness. The purpose of wear pack is to provide a barrier between the wearer skin and potential hazard, reducing the risk of injury or illness. By wearing wear pack, workers can minimize their exposure to hazard and work safety in variety of environment. Here how to put on a wear pack in automotive workshop. First, start by selecting the correct size and type for your needs, ensuring it fits and comfortable and allow for a full range of motion. And then step into zipping it up securely and ensuring all closer and fastened. Finally, check that the wear pack is properly adjusted with lever and fence leg at the appropriate length, allowing for optional safety and comfort. In essence, wear pack in automotive workshop are crucial for creating a safer, cleaner, and more professional work environment, minimizing the risk of injuries and promoting overall worker well-being. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Miss Iis as the second speaker that explain about the wear pack. Now, you know what is the wear pack? Okay, let's jump to the last speaker, Miss Nenden. Miss Nenden will explain to you about the gloves and the safety shoes. Please welcome Miss Nenden. Time is yours.
Hello everyone. Okay, all right. For right now, I will explain about the other items of personal protective equipment that we should be used when we are working at the workshop. These are safety shoes and safety gloves. First, let's we talk about the safety shoes. The main function of safety shoes is to protect our foot from the dangers, for especially from the heavy tools, the slippery floor, and the electrical things. Now, let's move to the safety gloves. The function of the safety gloves is exactly to protect our hands, to keep our hands clean and safe. How to use like this? Okay, like this. This paper one, and the material used in leather, rubber, cover, and cotton. Why? Because to make comfort in use or to operating something. And I think quite enough. Thank you.
Thank you for all the speakers, from the first speaker, second speaker, and the last speaker. That's all about the PPE or personal protective equipment, from the helmet or caps until the safety shoes. Okay, so that's all from our group explanation about PPE. So I can make the summary or conclusion for this explanation that PPE or personal protective equipment refers to clothing and equipment worn by workers minimize the exposure in the workplace. So, before you enter the engineering workshop, don't forget to use this PPE from helmet until the safety shoes. Okay, so that's all about this explanation. Please welcome our member group. Okay, that's all from us. Happy watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye-bye.